access to. And I went and got this cable, and I put one hook on. You got to have everything attached or else it'll float away. Put my one hook on this cable and put it on my workstation. And I was supposed to go straight into the telescope and test it. Well, what happened was is that we started having trouble with these gyros, and we couldn't get the gyro in. I saw this thing hanging off me with this one hook, and I had to go to the back of the orbiter and get a replacement, an old gyro, not an old one, a contingency one. It was actually wasn't an old one, it was refurbished. It wasn't the primary one we wanted, but I went back and got it, moved it around, brought it around, and handed it off. And what's going on? It took a while. This was getting very nice. So this thing's flapping off me like this. I wasn't really paying attention to it. I kind of forgot it was there. Until as I'm looking up in the telescope, I see the thing floating away from me. The hook somehow came undone, and this cable starts floating away. It goes like right, and the only thing that went through my mind was, we only have one of those. A lot of times we have multiple things, but and here's the thing, and I can see like the future of astronomy is floating off. I just did this quick lunge and grabbing this floated back, and I don't think anybody noticed. But it was interesting to say. But like a week later, I got back to Earth, our flight director said, "Hey, I have a question for you. When you were inside the telescope, was that thing floating away?" I said, "Yeah, no problem." That's a secret. You can't tell anybody that. All right. So that was the second spacewalk, my first one on